Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to try out these hydrating collagen eye pads. I got these in my Birchbox if you guys didn't watch that video last week. But yeah, I really wanted to try them out. I've never tried eye pads before for under eye stuff, but I'd really like to, considering my under eyes suck. So if you want to see how these guys work, then just keep watching. Okay, so these are the Wilmashumann European Skincare Hydrating Collagen Eye Pads. They are an intense hydrating boosting treatment for the eye contour area with 100% pure collagen. For all skin types, super hydrating gel pads are easy to use and are non-irritating and allergy tested. Let's see. All right, so we're just gonna take them off. You just put them on your eye and you leave them on for about 20 minutes or so. So yeah, we're just gonna open these, see what happens. I'm curious to see how they smell because I'm all about how things smell. Okay, I can deal with that. I can do that. It's wet. There's water in it. What the hell? Oh my god, there's like water. Well, obviously it's not water, but one of them stuck in there. This is what it looks like. So, okay, that's super cold. But you just place it right under your eye area. I'm gonna put this one. Oh, it's so cold. Oh my god, it's so cold. I think it's supposed to be cold though. But okay. I'm gonna leave these on for 20 minutes and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I've been sitting for about 20 minutes, so we're just gonna take these guys off. Okay. Wow, I probably should have moved them closer. I don't know if you guys could see that, but right here it is totally white, like skin color, and the rest is, I'm actually kind of glad I did that because now you can see the work it did and then what I should have covered as well, right on the inside. Holy cow, I can't believe that worked. Well guys, these, and they smell like rose water, these actually worked, like really worked. There's still some of the serum left in there, so I'm gonna try to repackage it. How effective that will be, who knows? But I wonder if it says, it doesn't say how many uses you can get out of it, but wow, I'm pretty impressed. These are a go. So if you get these in your Birchbox, definitely try them out because they work pretty damn well. I'm gonna keep these. I'm gonna try to repackage it. But yeah, these are definitely plus in my book. I would definitely recommend the Wilmashumann European Skincare Under Eye Pads. Wow, I really cannot believe that. That's intense. That's really intense. That is really, really, really intense. Definitely recommend these hydrating collagen eye pads. They smell like rose water. Didn't really have like a irritating effect on my skin at all, which is a plus because my skin is irritated by freaking everything. But yeah, all in all, they were a total success. Sorry I look like a bleh today. My hair is all right, but I wanted to have no makeup on for these iPads, obviously, so I look like a schmuck. But yeah, definitely give those a thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave and turn on notifications to be notified for when I post videos. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!